Hello everyone and welcome to a new video where today I'm going to show you how to add embed text or embedded texts in Discord, which would look like this. We're going to do something like this, so stay tuned to the tutorial to keep watching. Let's get to it. Let's start by creating a new text channel. Click here on the plus symbol and let's name it, I don't know, info apps for example. You can name it whatever you want. First, click on the button to create a channel, then click on the option to edit that channel. Go into the Permissions tab, select Advanced Permissions, and here, under the View Channel section, click the green check mark to enable it. Next, scroll down the list and under the Text Channel Permissions category, click the red cross where it says Send Messages to disable that feature. Scroll down even further and where it says Add Reactions, you should also click the red cross. Please keep scrolling down to see the rest of the settings. And here, under Read Message History, click the green check mark. Next, carefully click on the Save Changes button. Once that is done, navigate over to the Integrations tab, and then simply click on the option to create a new webhook. Here we have the webhook. Click on it and we're going to change the name. Let's give it the name of our channel, in my case, Info Apps. And here for the channel, select the one we have chosen, which is Info Apps. Now click on Copy Webhook URL and then click on Save Changes. Now let's go to our browser and type DiscoWook. Go to the first link. The first thing we're going to do here is click on Clear All. So click on Clear All. Here we're going to paste the URL we copied earlier. Just right click and select Paste. This is where we're going to write, and here you'll see the preview, as you can see very nicely. I suggest you first go ahead and click right here on Add Embed. Then click on Embed, and you'll be able to customize all of the different settings to your liking. Let's start with the main section of the body, and here we're going to add a specific title. For example, it would make a lot of sense to write something like "Welcome to our brand new website landing page" right here. Well, let's see if we can write to our server correctly. Here's a helpful tip, if you put 2 asterisks both before and after the title, as you can see on the screen, it will appear in bold. If you use 3 asterisks, it will be in italics as well. As you can see here, I'm going to leave it with 2 for bold. And as you can see right here, it's clearly appearing in bold text. Now, here in the description area, we can actually do something pretty interesting, such as adding a direct link that goes straight to the welcome channel, which, as you know, is usually just called the welcome channel. So to set that up, let's go over to Discord, close this window for a moment. And since I don't currently have a welcome channel ready, let's quickly create a brand new one and call it Welcome. We will go ahead and name it in English just to make everything much easier for us to follow. Simply click on the Create Channel button, and that's it. We now also have a dedicated welcome channel right here in our list. What are we going to do now here in general? We're going to do the following. Let's type a hashtag, then search for the welcome channel, welcome, and right before it, right here, we're going to add one of these backslashes, this one here. Then we hit enter and an ID will appear here, which we need to copy. Select all of it, click copy, go back to the browser, which we have open here in the background, and in the description, as I mentioned before, we're going to paste what we just copied. Right click and paste, and as you can see, the channel hashtag appears here automatically. And we can, for example, add an emoji here. To insert emojis in Windows, you just need to press the Windows key, and while holding it down, press the period key. As you can see, all the emojis pop up here. So let's say I'll add the confetti icon. We put the confetti icon, and now we have the channel and the confetti icon here. And for example, we can write, "We are absolutely happy to have you here, joining us on this tutorial channel today," for example. And that is exactly how the final result would look to your users. And what we have successfully done here with the setup of the welcome channel, we can also easily do with any other channel in your server. Yes. Let us go ahead and do it, for example, with the specific rules channel. So once again, we simply add a hashtag right here in this field to get started. We look here for the one we want, in this case the rules channel, and at the beginning, again, we put the backslash. We press enter and this code will appear. We select everything, right click, copy, then go to the browser, type a period here and paste it again. We can open the emojis if we want, and let's put, I don't know, this one and write. Make sure to read all the rules. And we can do the same thing with mentions, that is with users, with roles, etc. Let's use admin as an example. We go back to Discord and it's basically the same process. We use the @ symbol instead of the hashtag and look for admin. Here at the beginning, we're going to put the backslash just like we did before and press enter. This will be the code. We select it, copy it with right click, copy, and then paste it here. Right click, paste, and as you can see, now we have what would be the admin here. We add a little dot again to make it an emoji, to make it look nicer, and I don't know. Let's put this person here, for example, just to add something, and write, for any problem, contact me. And you can do all of this with more mentions, that is, with another role, another channel, etc. You can do this with anything you want, even if, for example, you have a channel emoji, we can put it here as well. First, we hit enter right here. Then we go back over to the Discord application and carefully put the specific emoji of our channel in this spot. In my particular case, it would be this one right here. And once again, we put the backslash symbol directly in front. Oh, sorry, I meant the backslash. Then we hit the enter key. And after that, we copy this entire string. Just copy it and then finally paste it right here in the box. And as you can see here, we have the icon of our channel, which looks really nice. And right down here in this section, for example, I am actually going to add our official YouTube channel link. We can definitely make it look much nicer by using these decorative bars. Then we will write the words my YouTube channel clearly and finally close the bars to finish it off. Let's add the link in parentheses. Open parentheses, go to another tab, head over to YouTube, go to our channel, copy this, which is the link, copy it, and come back here to Disco Hook. Right click here and paste, close the parentheses, and look what happens now. Instead of that whole link, which would look really ugly, it now shows my YouTube channel directly, and if we click here, it will take us to our YouTube channel. Now we can even change the color here just by clicking here, and I want to set a blue, a dark blue like this red. Let's make it a dark blue like this. As you can see, the bar has changed, and I think it looks pretty good this way. As you can see here, we can also add an image. If we click on image, let's put the image URL here. How do we do that? We go to our Discord. Here again in the general channel, we click on the upload file icon, and I'm going to upload this photo again. Double click, send the photo, then we click here to expand it, right click on it, and select copy image link. We go back to Disco Hook. Here we have it. And in the image URL field, we right click, paste, and as you can see, our image is now here. If you want to add more of these embedded texts, just click on Add Embed, and that's it. Do the same thing, and you're done. Once you have everything ready, just click here to send it. Wait a few seconds, and if we now go to Discord and head to the channel, to Info Apps, which is the channel we set up, look, here it is with the blue color, with the welcome message. The rules channel, the admin one, the little icon, the link to our YouTube channel, and the image we added. So with this video, I hope I've helped you, and I'll see you in the next one.